Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best golf tape is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories in a golfer's bag, offering a wide array of uses from enhancing club grip and providing a more secure hold to repairing damaged equipment and even creating custom grips for a more personalized feel. This video will dive into the world of golf tape, exploring its various applications, helping you choose the right type for your needs, and showing you how to effectively use it to improve your game and maintain your equipment. Number 5. Wedge Guys Golf Grip Kit. Tired of slippery golf grips? This kit gives you everything you need for a professional wedge ripping job, right at home. It's lightweight and easy to use, but it includes everything you need to wedge rip up to 15 clubs. No need for expensive pro services. The kit comes with 15 premium grip tape strips. They're double-sided, easy to peel, and won't bunch up during installation. We've included 5 ounces of high-quality, non-flammable grip solvent. It has a pleasant citrus scent and works on all types of tape. This kit has it all: grip tape, solvent, and even tools to make the job easier. Get ready to improve your grip and your game. With this kit, wedge ripping your clubs is simple and affordable. Enjoy a better grip and lower scores. What we like. This kit has everything you need for wedge ripping golf clubs at home. It's easy to use, even for beginners. If you're looking for a convenient and high-quality solution to wedge rip your clubs yourself, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This kit worked great. It was a straightforward task. There was plenty of solvent and tape for the entire set, even fumbling the first few clubs. The hook cutter went through my old set of jumbo grips like butter. The rubber vice jaws worked good. Very easy to use and includes almost everything you need. The club shaft fits snug in the rubber holder and won't slip. The grip tape strips are 9 I believe and not the exact length of my grips, so I used one full strip and about 1.5 inches of another to get full coverage per club, with about 1/2 inch to overhang the butt end of the shaft, which you fold and tuck into the interior of the shaft to make a waterproof seal. From removing the grips and tape to retaping, applying solution, putting the grip on and making sure it's straight probably took 7 minutes max per club. Really easy to do. Great kit, everything you need to wedge rip your clubs, including extra tape in case you mess up. Instructions are clear, easy to follow. After you get the first club done successfully, you feel like an expert and the rest are easy peasy. Number 4. Alien Pros Golf Grip Tapes. Tired of worn-out golf grips? It only takes a minute to transform your clubs with these innovative tapes. No messy solvents or special tools are needed. Simply peel, wrap, and seal. You can wedge rip your clubs anytime, anywhere, without visiting a golf shop. Enjoy a fresh, new grip in under a minute. Thousands of golfers love them. They're sweat-absorbent, anti-slip, and work in all weather conditions. You might even be able to play without gloves. We're confident you'll love your new grips. But if you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our priority. Make your clubs unique. Choose from a variety of stylish designs to express your personality. And you can easily change your style whenever you want. This 3-pack is perfect for all clubs and sizes. Each tape is 1 inch wide, 47.2 inches long, and easily adjustable for the perfect fit and thickness. What we like. Wedge rip your clubs in under a minute, without any messy solvents. It's also a great way to add a personal touch and style to your clubs. If you value speed and a unique look, then this is for you. What people say. The grips on an old set of clubs I came across in a garage sale were literally crumbling off. I was going to replace the grips entirely but didn't want to go about removing all of them and buying replacement grips. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes per club, but that's still way faster than replacing the whole grip itself. The only tool you might need are a pair of scissors. And they stuck on really well and haven't shifted or started peeling. I was able to apply the product to several clubs in a few minutes apiece. The grip is solid and feels okay. Very good value for the money. I am quite impressed and may never wedge rip again. Ease and cost effectiveness. For the price of a few grips you can wrap 12 clubs in various styles. Adhesion. The whole wrap is not sticking, but the two ends have little adhesives to pull me off where you start and where you end your wrap. These adhere and come off easily and so not appear to leave much residue, so having to start over is no issue. At the end you use the black wrap to seal the bottom. Feel. Has loved the feel of this. It's almost like you get the same grip and it's smoother and more adhesive to your hands without a sticky feel like a football glove would have. Soft and spongy in a way that doesn't compromise much feel. Number 3. GolfWorks Grip Tape. This is the GolfWorks double-sided grip tape, the industry standard for installing golf grips. It's perfect for a variety of grip types. Made from 100% leather, it provides a superior grip and long-lasting adhesion. It's durable and reliable for all your wedge ripping needs. It's sticky on both sides, ensuring a secure grip installation. Activation is simple with solvent. Re-grip your clubs easily and effectively with this tape. It's designed for slip-on rubber, synthetic, or leather grips. This is the genuine GolfWorks grip tape, trusted by professionals and amateurs alike. Get the quality and performance you expect. This large roll provides ample tape for multiple club re-grippings. You'll have plenty to complete all your projects. What we like. This tape is the industry standard for a reason. Its double-sided adhesive ensures a secure grip. If you need a reliable and proven solution for wedge ripping your clubs, this is the one for you. What people say. This tape is great. It is a little thicker than some brands but really holds up. I used 3 layers to get 132 over and it holds up well. I had no issues with it peeling back after adding solvent. Great alternative to buying the pre-cut strips, as this product saves you lots of money and works very well. It is standard thickness, tape, not the thin, cheap stuff you find online. Best tape I've ever used. Some others I've tried would get the grip stuck halfway on because the adhesive activated too early. With this tape, the grips slide on smoothly with no problem at all. Number 2. Crestgolf Golf Grip Tape. This is Crestgolf's superior golf grip tape. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance on your clubs. Made from 100% cotton, it provides strong, reliable adhesion. It maintains its stickiness for over 550 hours, even in various weather conditions. This 50-yard roll is easily cut to fit any golf grip size. You can customize it to your exact needs. The liner peels away easily, making installation quick and simple. Save time and get back to your game faster. One roll can wedge rip approximately 200 golf clubs. That's incredible value for your money. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 7-day, no questions asked return policy. Contact us anytime with questions. What we like. This tape offers incredible value with its extra long length, perfect for multiple wedge ripping projects. It's easy to cut and apply. If you need a cost-effective and convenient option for wedge ripping many clubs, this is the best choice. What people say. It's sticky on both sides, what else can be said? I have been using this tape for a while now. Works very well with adhesion. The tape is very thin, like double-sided Scotch tape. I was looking for a 2-wide double-sided masking tape which I had purchased for years through golf distributors. This is not that, but it works just as well. I use it for signs, woodworking, and other crafts. Number 1. Jef Golfers Tape. This is Jef Golfers Tape, perfect for athletes of all levels. It's residue-free and won't damage your clubs. Many pro golfers use it. It's trusted for its performance and reliability. Unlike other tapes, this one leaves no sticky mess behind. Keep your clubs clean and your game smooth. The adhesive won't transfer to your grips, ensuring a consistent and comfortable feel throughout your round. It's specifically designed for golf clubs, providing superior performance and protection compared to regular athletic tape. Upgrade your game with Jef Golfers Tape. Experience the difference a superior product makes. What we like. This tape provides a clean wedge ripping experience without leaving any sticky residue. It's trusted by professionals. If you prioritize a clean and residue-free wedge ripping process, this is ideal for you. What people say. The adhesion lasts the full round and comes off easily afterward without pulling hair or skin. Just make sure you wrap both sides of your knuckle to prevent it from rolling up, and it works great. Golfers tape works very well on fingertips, and here's how to get 18 holes of protection. Apply a 2-inch piece over the end of your finger, stretching it to shape to your fingertip contours, then wrap a 6-inch piece around your finger to hold the tip strip in place. Exactly what I was needing for a hot spot that flared up on my thumb. I have since lightened my grip but continue to use this as insurance. I had bought some other stretchy medical Coflex, which is what this seems to be, but the medical type is over an inch wide and is not suitable for fingers. This one was perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.